Let's get into making some juice. So I'm starting with the sorbet strainer. So let me show you how it goes together here. So this is the sorbet strainer. We just pop it into the bowl. We put the press into the middle, and then the lid just simply pops on top and closes. We're ready to make some juice. So I'm going to start with, I've got some frozen blueberries here, and I've got some frozen bananas. Now you want a little bit of preparation with this recipe. I just want to cut the banana up into pieces about the size of the blueberries, so that all the ingredients blend together and make a nice looking ice cream for you. And I want to put a bit of mint in here. So I've got some mint. Hopefully you can see this mint here. And I'm just going to chop that up. So let's just run the knife through that. Okay. So just chop it up and chuck that in here as well. So that's your preparation for making this blueberry mint ice cream. Now what I want to do is I just want to mix it all around so that I'm not just putting one ingredient at a time through the machine. I want to put a handful of a bit of everything all at once. That way it'll come out perfect at the end. So with the Kuvings Cold Press Juicer, the EVO820, it has a self-feeding flip gate lid. So all I need to do is I can just grab spoonfuls at a time of the ingredients and it'll feed itself. Start pushing out, squeezing and pressing the ice cream. Have a look at that, it's already starting to come through. Now I've got about 2 cups of frozen blueberries here to 1 banana, and the mint maybe about 6 to 8 leaves I think is probably enough, because when you use your cold press juicer it'll hold lots of flavour. Okay, a little bit more. Have a look at that, guys, starting to come out there now. Might as well finish it off. A couple more scoops. Okay, look at that. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. It's how we just turned some frozen ingredients into some beautiful ice cream. So let me just turn that off. And I'll put it into this container for you so you can get a good look. So you want to take your ingredients out of the freezer about 4 or 5 minutes before you put them through the juicer. Just make sure they're not rock hard, and they'll go through the machine even easier. Trust me, when you try this, you'll be amazed at how fruit, when you put the banana in, it turns into delicious creamy ice cream. All right, so let's put a few little extra things on this one. A little bit of coconut like that on the top of this one, and maybe a few fresh blueberries. So there you go, guys, a banana blueberry mint ice cream. Let's do the taste test. Looks good. The mint gives it a real freshness and has a real creaminess and a hint of the big strong blueberry flavour. I think you're going to love this one.